Before we delve into the aftermath of Black Friday, a day that kickstarts the holiday shopping season, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to score the best deals. The recent event offered a myriad of cutting-edge deals for tech devotees. Drones, in particular, captured significant attention, with DJI outshining its peers with its irresistible deals. One of the standout deals was on DJI's Mini 2 SE drone. Known for its lightweight design, this drone weighs less than 249 grams, making it a perfect companion for travel enthusiasts and content creators alike. The DJI Mini 2 SE drone is not just about its compact size, it's also about performance. With a flight time of 31 minutes and a transmission range of 10 kilometers, this drone offers a balance of power and portability. Adding to its appeal are the various camera shots and panorama effects it offers, allowing creators to bring their ideas to life. This Black Friday, buyers had two purchasing options for the DJI Mini 2 SE: the standard combo and the Fly More combo. The latter, as the name suggests, includes additional accessories that enhance the drone flying experience. Of course, amid the excitement of the Black Friday deals, it's essential to remember to always check local laws and regulations before flying the drone. This ensures not only your safety, but also the safety of others around you. In summary, Black Friday brought some of the best DJI drone deals of the year, with the DJI Mini 2 SE standing out for its lightweight design, impressive flight capabilities, and the creative opportunities it offers. Whether you opted for the standard combo or the Fly More combo, you're in for an exhilarating flying experience. Remember folks, these fantastic deals won't last forever. Be sure to click the link in the description below to get your hands on the DJI Mini 2 SE drone today. Whether you're a professional videographer or a drone enthusiast, this is a golden opportunity you don't want to miss. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of drone technology and explore new heights with DJI. Happy shopping and happy flying.